Have you ever wanted to design something beautiful, but you didn't know how to use Photoshop or any complicated program? You opened the software, saw many buttons, and thought, "Oh no, this is too hard." Well, a young woman from Australia felt exactly the same. But instead of giving up, she decided to make a change, not only for herself, but for the whole world. This is the story of Canva. In 2007, a girl named Melanie Perkins was a student at the University of Western Australia. She studied design and also worked as a teacher, helping other students learn how to use design programs. Every day, she heard the same thing. "It's too difficult. It takes too long." Melanie realized something very important. People didn't hate design. They just hated the complicated tools. So one day, she had a big idea. She thought, what if designing could be as easy as moving and clicking? What if anyone, from a student to a teacher, from a small shop owner to a big company, could design something in minutes? That idea became her dream, and she started working to make it real. At first, she created a small project called Fusion Books. It was a website that helped schools design and print their yearbooks online. It was simple and easy to use, and people loved it. Students could upload their photos, add text, and design their own pages. Fusion Books became very popular in Australia. But Melanie wanted more. She thought, if I can help schools make yearbooks, maybe I can help the whole world design everything. In 2012, her and her boyfriend, Cliff Obrecht, decided to take the next step. They met a software engineer named Cameron Adams, and together they started building a new company. They called it Canva, from the word canvas, like the space an artist uses to paint. The beginning was not easy. They had no big office, no money, and no famous name. They worked in a small apartment with old computers and big dreams. Every day, they sent hundreds of emails to investors. Most people said no. Some didn't even answer. But Melanie didn't stop. She believed that one day, people would love Canva. Finally, after many months, one investor said yes. And just like that, Canva was born. At first, only a few people used it, but those who tried it said, "Wow, this is so easy." Slowly, more and more people joined. Teachers used it for classes, students for school projects, business owners for logos, and content creators for social media. Canva became popular all over the world. People could design anything: posters, invitations, videos, presentations, without needing to be professional designers. It was free, fast, and fun. Years later, Canva grew into one of the biggest design platforms in the world. It's now used in more than 190 countries and by millions of people every single day. They use it to share their stories, their businesses, and their dreams. Melanie Perkins, the girl who once taught design at a small university, became one of the youngest female billionaires in the world. But when people ask her about her success, she always says something simple. It's not about money. It's about helping others bring their ideas to life. And that's what Canva really is. A tool that gave power to everyone, everywhere, to design their dreams, no matter who they are. This is Canva, and this is its story.